Ever wondered how to get a six-pack chest and look good? Well, you're in the right place. Let's embark on a journey together, a journey towards achieving that coveted six-pack and boosting your confidence. But remember, it's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. Achieving a six-pack chest requires a commitment to two major aspects of your lifestyle: diet and exercise. A balanced diet is the foundation of any fitness goal. It provides your body with the necessary fuel to perform, recover, and build. Regular exercise, on the other hand, strengthens your muscles and burns off excess fat. It's about working smarter, not harder. The road to a six-pack chest is lined with sweat, determination, and perhaps a few protein shakes. But the rewards are well worth it. Improved physical health, increased self-esteem, and a sense of accomplishment are just a few. Remember, a six-pack doesn't just happen overnight, but with persistence and a solid plan, you can achieve your fitness goals. Before you start your journey, it's crucial to understand your body type. We generally categorize body types into three distinct groups: ectomorph, endomorph, and mesomorph. Ectomorphs are typically lean and struggle to gain weight and muscle. Endomorphs, on the other hand, have a higher body fat percentage and find it challenging to lose weight. Lastly, mesomorphs are naturally muscular and gain or lose weight relatively easily. Your body type plays a pivotal role in how you gain muscle and burn fat. For instance, an ectomorph may need a higher calorie intake and less cardio, while an endomorph might benefit from a lower calorie diet and more cardio. Mesomorphs often thrive on a balanced diet and a mix of strength and cardio workouts. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. Tailoring your diet and workout plan to your specific body type can yield optimal results. Knowing your body type will help you create a more effective plan to achieve your six-pack goal. Scene script. Nutrition plays a key role in your journey to a six-pack chest. Imagine trying to build a house without the necessary materials. It wouldn't work, right? Well, the same applies to your body. You can't build muscle or lose fat without the right nutrients. This is why a well-balanced diet is crucial for muscle development and fat loss. Let's start with proteins. Known as the building blocks of muscle, proteins are essential for muscle growth and recovery. When you work out, your muscles experience small tears. It's the repair of these tears that leads to muscle growth, and it's proteins that do the repairing. Include protein-rich foods in your diet like lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based sources such as lentils and chickpeas. Next up, carbohydrates. They are your body's primary energy source. When you work out, your body taps into this energy to fuel the exercise. Without enough carbohydrates, you might feel lethargic and unable to perform at your peak. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide a steady release of energy and keep you fueled throughout the day. And let's not forget about healthy fats. While the word fat might sound like something to avoid when you're aiming for a six-pack, healthy fats are actually beneficial. They aid in nutrient absorption, hormone production, and provide a secondary source of energy. Foods like avocados, nuts and seeds, and fatty fish like salmon are excellent sources of healthy fats. But remember, balance is key. No single nutrient can provide all the benefits. You need a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in the right proportions for optimal muscle growth and fat loss. Also, keep in mind that everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. So, experiment with different foods and meal timings to find what works best for you. Remember, your diet is just as important as your workout in your journey to a six-pack chest. Now, let's dive into the exercises that will help you sculpt your six-pack chest. A robust, defined chest is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it also stands as a testament to your dedication, discipline, and strength. Let's explore some exercises that can help you chisel your chest into a six-pack masterpiece. First up, we have the classic tried-and-true push-up. This exercise is a staple in any fitness regimen for a reason. It targets your chest muscles along with your shoulders and triceps, giving you a comprehensive, upper body workout. To perform a push-up, start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest grazes the floor, then explosively push yourself back up. Remember to keep your back flat and your core engaged throughout the movement. Consistency and correct form are the key aspects here. Next on our list is the chest press, an exercise that specifically targets your pectoral muscles. You can perform this exercise using a barbell or dumbbells, depending on your preference and available equipment. Start by lying on a flat bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Hold your weights at chest level, then push them up until your arms are fully extended. Lower the weights back down to your chest in a controlled manner and repeat. This movement should be done with precision, focusing on the contraction and extension of your chest muscles. Then we have planks. You might be wondering, aren't planks a core exercise? Yes, they are, but they also provide a fantastic workout for your chest. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for as long as you can, focusing on keeping your core tight and your chest engaged. This exercise is all about endurance and stability. Finally, let's talk about consistency. These exercises won't yield overnight results. Building a six-pack chest takes time, dedication, and consistent work. It's a journey, and every push-up, chest press, and plank will bring you one step closer to your goal. However, it's important to remember that exercise is only part of the equation. Proper nutrition, adequate rest, and a positive mindset are equally important in your journey to a six-pack chest. So, there you have it. Push-ups, chest presses, and planks. 3 foundational exercises that will help you sculpt a strong, defined chest. Remember to focus on form and consistency, and don't be discouraged if results take time. Your body is a work in progress, and every effort you put in is a step towards a stronger, healthier you. With these exercises, you're well on your way to achieving a six-pack chest. While it's important to work hard, rest and recovery are equally crucial in your journey to a six-pack chest. One of the most overlooked components in the pursuit of that enviable six-pack is the necessity of rest. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of eat, train, and repeat. But have you ever considered that the magic truly happens when you're not at the gym? During those intense workouts, your muscles are under stress. They're being broken down, and it's during your rest days that they rebuild and grow stronger. It's a process known as muscle protein synthesis, and it's absolutely vital to your muscle growth. Overtraining, on the other hand, can be a real setback. It can lead to a plateau in your progress, or even worse, injuries. When you're constantly pushing your body to its limits without giving it the chance to recuperate, you're essentially running on empty. Not only can this lead to physical exhaustion, but it can also cause mental fatigue, which is just as detrimental to your progress. Think of rest days as your body's way of saying, "Hey, I need a moment to catch up." It's during these days that your body repairs itself, grows stronger, and prepares for the next workout. Incorporating rest and recovery into your routine isn't simply an option. It's a necessity. Remember, your body needs time to recover and grow. Don't neglect your rest days. So, are you ready to start your journey to a six-pack chest? As we wrap up this informative session, let's revisit the essential points we've covered. Remember, understanding your body type is the first step. It's crucial to recognize your unique physique, as it not only influences your workouts, but also your nutritional requirements. Speaking of nutrition, it plays a pivotal role in your six-pack journey. A well-balanced diet packed with proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is the fuel your body needs. Remember, we're not just talking about calorie intake, but nutrient intake. It's all about nourishing your body and feeding those muscles. Then we move on to the heart of the matter, exercises. Incorporating a mix of cardio, strength training, and core-specific exercises is key. From crunches and planks to push-ups and pull-ups, each exercise is a step closer to your goal. And let's not forget the importance of rest and recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and grow, making rest just as vital as your workout. Give your body the downtime it needs, and you'll be amazed at how it rewards you. In conclusion, your journey to a six-pack chest is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, dedication, and consistency. With persistence, a well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest, you're on the right path to achieving a six-pack chest and looking good.